Hello and welcome. Today, I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on integrating WebinarJam with AWeber. If you're new, check the free trial link in the description. Existing users can simply log in and follow along. First, go to Zapier, a platform for automating tasks between different apps. On the Zapier dashboard, click Create and select Zaps. If you need help along the way, the Copilot feature is available to guide you. Next, set up your triggers. Search for WebinarJam and select it. Choose the Sign Up Trigger event and enter your WebinarJam API key. Complete the configuration and test the trigger. For the action, search for AWeber and select it. Sign in with your AWeber account, enter your login details, and allow access. Complete the action configuration and test it. Finally, click Publish and your integration is live. Now, new WebinarJam signups will automatically be added to AWeber. Thanks for watching.